It's a bad man thing, I hear.
Oh Lord of His mercy.
Hey, he's bad.
So the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today is this unit right here from Sensationnel, and it is their Vice Unit 5, and I have in the color 2, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with pre-plucked baby hair or pre-plucked hairline, baby hair, and in there's like the colors that comes with it. On the back it tells you how to care for it. Okay, and I got it from Wave Ties for $28. And this unit is supposed to be 100% premium fiber. She is a lot of hair. Okay, so she comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And this hair, I would say it is big hair friendly because it's very loose on my hair. And I had to cut her. She was super long, and I did pluck I plucked the front of it a little bit, and when I was combing it out, she just became poofy on my head. Like, it was a whole lot of hair. So I had to use water. I just put water inside to, like, you know, bring it back, like come back to contain the poof. And I did cut her because she was a lot of hair. She was tangling, and yeah, I wasn't having it. I like her in this short length. She's pretty nice, and I didn't glue her down. She's pretty glueless. I used my tinted spray and a little bit of foundation, you know, to blend the hair. You know, I like her. I really do. Outside of it being poofy and whatnot, she's amazing. If you don't cut her, you'll definitely have to, because she was tangling. She was like, the tangle was real. Okay, and it has some baby hair, some grown baby hair in the back. I guess if you want to put her up in a bun, you can have some hair in the back to conceal the behind or whatever. But what do you guys think about her? She is ear to ear. As I said, I didn't glue her down or anything. Definitely ear to ear. And she is giving me like a silky kind of texture. It's very soft, silky. Yeah. What do you guys think about her? I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. Yeah. But yeah, this is it. You know, I don't have anything much to say about her. She's very nice, you know, or whatever. She's giving human hair vibes. Some bundles, you know. But, you know, make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your CROWNZ. Make sure you subscribe if you're not, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.